So hello everyone, we got a package and this is from Amazon. So let's quickly unbox this thing. So this is basically 65-watt charger that I got it. I just wanted another kind of spare 60-watt charger so that I can use it as a spare. Not very sure about the brand, but yeah. So it's CMT by nothing. Not very sure if it is really CMF. I have this here. Serial number says price is 3,999 rupees, but I think I got it for a quite cheap price. I don't know where I put the bill. Okay, here it is. So let's say I got it for 300 rupees. It was for 199, but I don't know. Maybe it's a fake product. See, seal is not there, so most probably a replica. Here also its seal is not there. So I believe I have to break the seal here. So I'll just find something that can help me with that. So I think this is a CMF by nothing. Looks like CMF, I don't know. With all these things it looks like, but yeah. Oops. Sorry. So it's heavy, quite heavy, and says 65 GaN, and it also had this CMF by nothing, but I'm not very sure about the quality. Fit and finish, if you see here, it looks like a used product, but yeah, that's what I've got. But I think we'll use it and try to find if it is 65 watt on both the ports. So it says 65 on this, not on this, and then USB type A, which I think was be 18. If you see, it's little tilted here. So I think this is not some good quality product, and basically I'll use it for as a spare, not as a primary. So thanks for watching.